So here I'm discuss very important topic that is called YouTube live streaming. First of all, in this video uploading will be this is called four method. In this YouTube live streaming purpose, we can select option call is schedule post. That is called click the schedule post. Select your videos on your YouTube channel. In this, select it. So upload the video. After uploading video, here in the right side they're showing for premiere option. So today date will be 16. You can schedule your time will be 8. So the time will already reach. So I'm selecting for 8 p.m. Next time will be 8:15. But already my time will be reached. So I'm giving for 8 o'clock. So the time will be passed. Your video will be published immediately. Means they're not creating by the live streaming. So means the time will already passed. Is done by timing already 3 minutes done. So next premiere will be set by the 8:15. When 8:15. So every 15 minutes YouTube channel created by the YouTube premiere option means live chat purpose. So once creating live chat, so here we can add your title will be 60 characters. Description will be using for 262,000 characters. So we can add your tags. Next, add your all details. So translation, very important one is called add your custom thumbnail. So add my relevant tags. So just give the total score will be 25 out of 50. So but the video will not going to live. Means this is a premiere for 8:15 p.m. So in this one, just add the keywords. So you will done adding codes. Now click for save changes. Once create your YouTube premiere, just refresh on your YouTube channel. It will be going for what is it? Set reminder. Means the video going to live after 8:15 p.m. So once uploading video here, what are the parameters you can add? Add by videos on your parameters. That is called in the screen and cards using for the subtitle and the captions. That is a very important. But you can refresh here. They will showing for after 8:15. Previous they will showing for ideal mode for your video publishing purpose. So this will be here. No comment, no like, no dislikes. So here will be. Now click here. So suddenly you have one question. So I'm preferred my premiere will be 8:15. Can I change for 9:15? Yes, you can change. Before 2 minutes. After 50 seconds you can't change. Before you're changing for the 2 minutes, you can change your premiere time. So in this, add your end screen. Any video formalities are always important. That is end screen your cards. Select your element card. Select your videos. Next one, subscribe button. Click for save. And remember, Without adding video, we can't adding the subscribe button. Suppose I'm not adding the content. Okay, can add the subscribe button is not possible. Everything possible by the along with the video is important. Suppose I'm deleted. Save is possible. They can't possible by save button. Any subscribe button is valid along with the video. That is called add by video is a must and should important. In this screen always two things. One is called video, second will be subscribe button. If you add only one subscribe button is not accepted. Along with video is a accept your subscribe button. Click for save. Next one, go to end the screen. Add your end screen here. I'm adding only one. Next one, I'm adding for subtitle and C. CC means your capture will be Korea. Just the video is not playing. The video will be only for 9 minutes more to the play the video. So this one. Set your time and upload. Click for publish. Once done publish, go to info and setting. When coming to info and setting, you can check your total parameters. Which one? End the screen, cards, your title and description, everything. So yeah, upload and yes, still anything will be pending is called your added playlist. Select here. Add your playlist. Here will be disabled. Why? Is right now is the premiere. Premiere nothing but they can't add your playlist button. Once the video into publish mode is done, add your playlist. Is it clear? Live streaming time, we can add your playlist also. And always remember, live stream nothing but engage your new customer for subscribe purpose and increase your channel view purpose. That is how we can create by the YouTube live streaming using Premiere option. Select your save changes done. Now get back. So this is called create your YouTube live streaming, upload videos on YouTube channel. That will be more than 2 minutes are very good for live streaming purpose with the live chat purpose. Exactly 8:15 your start will be live stream along with the chat option. Once upload your option, we can enable for the comment button, like and dislike button and playlist button will be enabled. That is called create by the live streaming using for Premiere option.